Fact number 1. Jin's full name is Kim-seokjin, born on December 4, 1992 in Gwacheon, South Korea. Fact number 2. Jin was scouted by Big Hit Entertainment while walking down the street, initially thinking it was a scam. Fact number 3. Jin graduated from Konkuk University with a degree in film studies, balancing education with his busy BTS schedule. Fact number 4. In 2018, a renowned plastic surgeon voted Jin as having the #1 sculpted face in the world. Fact number 5. Before joining BTS, Jin aspired to be an actor, a passion that still shines in BTS's music videos and performances. Fact number 6. Jin humorously coined the nickname Worldwide Handsome during a 2017 press conference. Fact number 7. Jin is an exceptional cook, sharing his culinary creations through his popular vlog series Eat Jin. Fact number 8. Jin loves to joke about being the CEO of Jin Hit Entertainment, a playful take on Big Hit Entertainment. Fact number 9. Jin's favorite number is 4, which is also his birth date. Fact number 10. Jin is the oldest member of BTS, often acting as the reliable big brother to his younger bandmates. Fact number 11. Jin's solo song Super Tuna became an instant viral sensation. Fact number 12. Jin is known for his signature flying kiss, which never fails to make fans swoon during concerts. Fact number 13. Jin is very charitable, making numerous donations to various causes, including the UNICEF Korea Committee. Fact number 14. Jin wrote and composed his solo song Awake, showcasing his deep and soulful voice. Fact number 15. Jin loves playing video games and has a gaming setup that armies are envious of. Fact number 16. Jin's signature microphone is pink, reflecting his bright and joyful personality. Fact number 17. Jin created the character RJ for BTS's BT21 project, an adorable alpaca that represents his soft and warm heart. Fact number 18. Jin has a habit of winking at fans, a move that never fails to make armies swoon. Fact number 19. Jin is a huge Disney fan, with The Lion King being his favorite Disney movie. Fact number 20. Jin's solo song Moon from the album Map of the Soul 7 is dedicated lovingly to ARMY. Fact number 21. Jin enjoys snowboarding during his free time, loving the thrill of the winter sport. Fact number 22. Jin was told by a fortune teller that he has the face of a prince, a sentiment wholeheartedly agreed upon by armies. Fact number 23. Jin has a sugar glider named Gukmul, which means soup in Korean, and had another named Odeng, meaning fish cake. Fact number 24. Jin is fluent in Japanese, which he learned for BTS's activities in Japan. Fact number 25. Jin is known for his love of eating. His favorite foods include lobster, meat, and naengmyeon. Fact number 26. Some of Jin's hobbies include fishing, playing video games, and taking selfies. Fact number 27. Jin's unique windshield wiper laugh is one of the most recognizable among BTS members. Fact number 28. Despite his cheerful demeanor, Jin has shown incredible emotional strength, particularly in supporting his fellow members. Fact number 29. Jin is known as the king of dad jokes in BTS, always ready with a pun or a silly joke. Fact number 30. Jin once shared a cute story about how his sugar glider kissed him on the lips. Fact number 31. Jin's acting potential is undeniable, as showcased in BTS's music videos and short films. Fact number 32. Jin released a heartfelt solo song called Abyss on his birthday in 2020. Fact number 33. Jin loves to travel and frequently posts photos of his adventures on social media, inspiring fans with glimpses of his global explorations. Fact number 34. Despite being the oldest, Jin is often teased by the younger members, but they all deeply respect and care for him. Fact number 35. Jin appears in the BTS webtoon Save Me as a central character, reflecting his importance in the group's storyline. Fact number 36. Jin's first solo performance was Awake during the Wings tour, which left a lasting impression on fans. Fact number 37. Jin's signature shoulder dance move during performances always gets the crowd cheering.